Welcome to the wonderful world of Animal
Yo,
Kingdom.
can you buy me a saddle? Can you buy me a saddle?
Come on,
Me?
lady.
Yeah. Can you buy me a saddle?
I don't have a saddle, but there's a fully loaded gun for you.
Here, it's over here.
It's all yours. Have fun.
I don't want it. I don't
You
want it.
really like it? This
Yeah.
is the perfect video for YouTube. Is giving a child a fully loaded gun. I don't even know how to
This
explain
is
that.
scary as hell, but I got my first coin! Let's go!
But
I got a coin!
Can I have the axe?
yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
What's it called?
See, he's got a saddle.
Focus.
Yo, can I have it, please, bro? Yo, thank you so much.
All right, I'm
Here
gonna
you
go. Okay. So, there's a reason. There's a reason I'm in here right now. There's a reason I'm making a video. Make sure no one's in the lobby with me. I found a glitch. And no, it's not handing children fully loaded handguns. But it's better than that. Because in today's world, rage bait is the best thing you can possibly imagine. I also have, large goop. Somebody gave that to me. But I have all the items unlocked. You need a backpack. I'm gonna grab just a regular old stick. Stuff that in there. Go to gadgets and grab you this little scanner. Now what the scanner does is right there. See, there's something over here I can go grab. I kind of do wonder. I don't have a light. There's something in there. The yellow dot means there's an item somewhere. Probably should have grabbed a flashlight, but I just want to find this item. Because it's saying... Oh, it's saying I'm on top of an item. Wait. Okay, I don't know. But you got your stick, you got your little radar reader, stick it in there, bag that, so I can pop it here and get a regular piece of goop. These are the 3 items you need: the tree stick, the tablet, and some goop. I'm gonna switch out some items. I still don't know why that child... Sorry about that. I still don't know why that child didn't take a fully loaded handgun, but I would have... I need one of these. Oh, I try to keep all these in like one little area so I can like just pop in and grab them. Oh, I have cola. I have a can of cola. Alright, let's get this done. But y'all probably, those who know what I'm doing already know what I'm doing. Those who know what I'm about to go do already know what's about to happen. But those who don't, it's a lag machine, a literal lag machine. And I'll put it together right here real quick. Grab the goo. So you take the goo, put it on the little side of the stick here. Take your tablet, and your lag machine's ready. You're wondering, why is it not lagging? Why isn't the game not lagging? Why is... See now, I haven't even done it yet. You just drop the stick. So every time the stick is dropped and picked up, it lags. So... lag machine backpack. Now, we're gonna hit this fun little join random.
No!
What? How are you doing that?
Ooh,
Fucking orca.
excuse me.
Hold on, I'm trying to point now, boys.
It's a good color as well.
How are you
Yeah,
turning
welcome
an
to the-
object?
It's a scanner.
Wanna know how you
I
do
love a
this?
scanner,
Wanna know how you do
but-
this? Wanna know how you do this?
If you don't.
Oh.
Casper.
Where did he go?
I got it. Got it.
Yo. See someone's doing it.
Shark.
Yo,
You looking for this?
blue.
Guys, how are you doing that? Oh my god. Lagging, so please stop.
Wanna know how you
Guys.
float? Wanna know how you float?
Hey. What are
Oh.
you doing?
But no one
Please stop.
Yeah.
can
This-
have this.
Give it
This is what the
Have
lag
this.
machine does, apparently.
Gay
I
Bendo.
can't. I'm lagging.
This kid's gay, by the way.
Oh! Hey,
Oh,
What the
stop
fuck?
it.
Glitchy. I'm trying to. Lagger. My god, this
Yeah.
lobby is so glitchy.
Bro.
This is fine.
Stop.
Yeah,
yo,
yeah.
we gotta go.
No,
No, we gotta go find him. Go find him. He's hidden somewhere.
You want this for that? I'll do this for you back.
That's
This for you back.
He's literally hidden somewhere.
Okay, when I found the ledger, I found the ledger, everybody.
He's by the circus.
Everybody, I found the ledger.
That means he might be up here. Yeah, there he is. No. Hold on. Wait, I need to talk to you. It's for a video. Please, I need to talk to you for a video. It's a video, man. Come here.
Yeah?
I need to
Black.
talk to you for a video.
Black. I'd like to show to do that, okay?
Yay, the last
Okay.
Is this how you get to the clown thing?
No.
Yeah, it's
Well, how
right
you
down
fly?
Wait, where do you want to go? Where do you
How
want
do
to
you
go?
get the
Hold
clock?
on,
Is
hold
it
on
in
to
here?
me. Guys, hold on. Yeah. Look.
Well,
Well, how are you
he had the
turning an
thing.
object?
He had the thing, but his idea was to hide up
Yo,
here
look, thing.
and use it.
to Mo's? Who wants to go to Mo's?
He was sitting up in this little bush right here, using the dropping and picking it up. But
Guys, who wants to hop on me? Look.
we're gonna come over here. Because nobody comes over here. So how are they gonna find me over in this little corner? Oh, I don't even need it. I don't even need a stick to do the lagging. Oh, that's weird. That's a weird glitch. I can see the screen through the floor.
Yeah, I'm on top of you.
Go finding with
No,
me.
Guys,
What is that?
were you lagging? You don't even need the stick. Just put it on a bag, drop it on the bag, and
Oh,
instant lag.
Not today, Baba. Not today.
Instant lag.
Not today.
Instant. I'm doing it again.
Not
I'm
today.
making this again.
Report him.
Damn, circus really fell off, bro. No one's on it anymore.
Report him.
Oh.
Not today, bro.
All I need is a bag, a goo, and a tablet.
Guys, doing it. Let's both do it.
What is that?
But really wanted the glue.
Let's both do it. Let's both do it. Let's both do it.
What is that?
Pop scanner.
It's a bitch group thing.
No, that's not glue. That's not
The
glue.
saddle guy basically scammed me with it, so now.
Do you have another group? Do you have another group? Take that!
I have one more. Well, two more, but the other one's more rare.
I need one.
When I say the other one's more rare, I
Bro,
literally
ain't no way
can't
circus
use it.
fell off this hard, bro. That's
Wait, you
crazy.
think we
No one's
can use
there.
it?
No, this is purple goo. Are you dumb?
Then which one can I use? Which
Go
one
back
can I
to
use?
finding back in arena, bro. That
Well,
was fun. Just
I'm
going
gonna
and
use
making
the
the mess. That was great.
the normal one.
Show me, bro.
For
Shit.
real.
Look at this. I glitched. I can see the whole map.
I have a better idea.
I wanna go.
I got an idea.
Go. Start. Go stage 4. You go to stage 4. You wanna be a cock. I wanna be a cock. Go to stage. I didn't know it was. I didn't know. everyone is style. Go to stage 4.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, whatever you say, Fat. Yeah, whatever you say, Fat.
I'm in the BBC! Fuck no.
Where are you?
You can report me, I don't give a fuck, I can leave. Yo, bro, I can leave and it cancels the report.
Sticky grenades after you can use it as goop. Did you know?
Guys! I want the ding and I got the trampoline and some food.
You know what? I want the scanner.
Guys, who wants a coin? Guys, who wants a trampoline? Who wants a trampoline?
I want a scanner. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
Me, I want to, me.
Not you. No, he's not giving that away. He's not giving that away. The guy's right here with the trampoline, man. That ain't no trampoline.
Guys, I'm giving this.
I'm taking this though.
I want it.
Trampoline.
Oh, someone figured it out. Someone figured it out.
Guys, who wants this? Guys, who wants this?
I want it.
Go, guys, go get it.
I want it.
Trampolines.
Whoa. Alright, let's see if anyone here. No. Oh, someone is in here. Hello.
I know a boo-boo.
You want me to get in there? I'll get in there.
Yeah, no, you get, cause I'm not good. I joined the boo-boo team.
I'm not good at controlling this stuff. I can get in there though.
Neither.
Guys, I'm ready to come to stage 5. I'm dropping some flashlight.
Okay? Your best is the best.
I repeat, I am dropping some flashlight backpacks into
The best is the
stage
best.
5.
I kind of want some of those.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you a scanner if you want to join the Labubu team.
I want the backpack.
Yo, can somebody give me a pickaxe, bro?
Yo, man, that's a deep voice. That's a deep voice, man.
Wow.
Yo, can you give me a pickaxe, bro?
A drill is better. A drill is better, honestly.
Love you, bro. Love you.
Wait, where are you going?
Guys, wait. You. Let you.
What's that? Free sword. Haha. Another free sword. Gimme. Yo, whoever was in stage 5, thank you for the 2 free swords.
You're welcome. I'm just kidding, I just joined the lobby. I don't know what stage 5 is.
Thank you so much. What is this? M-R-E Lab. I love these
I'm outside
chips.
the map.
These are my favorite. Thank you, sir.
Guys,
I love these.
If you want to go fight the circus,
I
boss,
love these so much.
trying to go
I'm just gonna say throw balls in that way.
G-H-T-Y.
Yeah, G-H-T-Y.
These are yummy chips. I love this kind.
Guess I don't need 2 of those.
I love
there's an
these.
X right there. There's an X right there. So G-H-T-Y. Everyone else.
Yo, he's just gonna, I was gonna say, he's just gonna call that shit back once you get near it, man.
I'll trade.
Everyone join the code G-H-T-Y if you want to fight this.
I want to get through this boss, yeah. And toilet paper! Oh, white. Or pink?
What?
You wanna...
Time to die.
Are we flexing? Is that what we're doing?
Nope.
Because I can flex a little.
Right, we've got everyone. Right, guys, we're ready now. We've got 5 people in here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to the finger.
Wait for me.
Where's the guy with the
Guys.
SpongeBob?
Wait, whoever had the gun, can you bring it out again?
I'm behind you.
Me. Look, I've got the Mona Lisa.
Bro,
gave you that.
what
I
in
can
the
literally, I can turn
I
it
gave
into,
him that.
I can turn
Nah,
into
you
a
gave me a
gun.
normal version. You gave me a
Guys,
normal version.
No, I didn't.
Nah.
Damn, why have I got so much? What's
Guys,
this?
I can turn into a gun in 3, 2.
hell? You're touching my wiener.
So much.
Guys, look.
Oh,
I can turn into a gun in the count of 3.
busted,
One.
busted.
Guys, look. Bro, look. Look, Pink.
No.
I can turn it into
the hell
a
is this?
gun in
Yo,
the count
Ole.
of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, we fighting the boss, aren't we? Or something?
Yeah.
I'm on 5%, gang.
Okay. Right, guys, let's go to the boss. One, two,
I have one.
One,
Don't
two.
clarify.
guys, someone get these grapplers and umbrellas if you don't have one. Blue, you get one grappler, and then get one umbrella.
I got an umbrella
And
already.
driver,
Yeah, man.
does anyone not have? Okay, someone just get 2 then. And Ollie, you don't have an
Whoa.
umbrella. Yeah, put it up straight though. Right, guys,
Yes,
let's
it's
go.
about
let's
to
go,
die.
Let's go. Right, let's hurry up then.
Whee! I don't even know what this boss is gonna give me.
Guys, you just friended me real quick.
Oh. Are y'all fine with being in a YouTube video, by the way?
He just told me to add him. I'm coming now. Goodbye. Bye, I guess. I'm coming.
Yummy.
Yo. I'm not gonna get up on there yet until everyone's here.
It has to be Goat Simulator, so that's how to be.
But fair warning, I am recording, just so both of y'all know. Whoa, no way. Bro. The clown caught me through a wall.
We found it. Up there. Try to find it off of that. Found it.
I mean, at least I got a free trampoline.
Try to show you where it is. I
And-
marked it. Okay, I'll come through. Where have you gone through it? I'm here.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Yo, where you at, the other kids?
Well, I was, like, on the way in there, and then the clown caught me, so I got a trampoline out of this. I'm on the way back, though.
I'll just, like, go back to meet you.
What? Oh.
Where the hell do we go back, bro? What the hell?
You can't get back. You gotta complete the whole thing.
I'm back at the start. You know when you're, like, loading? Hey, yeah, I'm dead.
Yeah, I'm on the way back. It's not gonna take me too long.
Holy bro, he just nearly got me. He jump scared me. Well, not really jump scared me, but nearly got.
The speed that I can get to. Holy crap. I'm back in.
I'm on Moncton back train.
Whee! I'm at the doorway. Are y'all still here? Yeah, I don't even know if these kids are still here. I'm gonna just go through. I want to try to beat this guy on my too. But, you know, who knows? Give me this. Pop that in there. Boom, boom, boom. Right there, okay. Come here, little star. Boom, got that in. Boom, pop that in. Oh yeah, on this one you gotta go down. So, if I'm correct, you just gotta touch the slide, jump in the air. The whole room's gonna turn white. Yo, I don't even know which one it said at this point. Yeah, I'm just gonna guess. Oh! I don't even know. People laugh. It didn't even go through. I don't know. I give up.